due to the dry weather. And meteorologist Jonathan Myers joins us now. We obviously need the rain, and it's also devastating to watch that.
Absolutely tragic to see some of the images coming out of South Georgia now. Thankfully for us, it hasn't been as bad here, at least in terms of the wildfires, but still, we have an increasing drought. And you see here this area in red that's around Atlanta. That is an extreme drought. So the problem is that we have not seen the proper amount of rain for months and months on end. Let's take a look at some of the statistics. Things are getting worse, at least for now, not getting better, although we do have some rain on the way. This drought started in September of 2025. We have gone a full 8 months, each month, with below average rainfall and just 0.15 of an inch of rain at the airport in April. And that leaves us nearly 3¼ inches below our monthly average. For those longtime residents around here, if you've been here a while, you may remember that last big drought that we had. That was back in fall of 2016. And that's actually when we had a lot of northern Georgia around here wildfires. Now, I spoke to the meteorologist in charge over at National Weather Service down in Peachtree City, Keith Stellman, and he is not surprised about this pattern.
You can tie it in some ways back to La Nina. We've been in La Nina now for 2 years, and La Nina and drought are sort of synonymous with each other, just like El Nino and floods are sort of synonymous with each other. But yeah, running La Nina for a couple of years, I'm not surprised that we're in a drought now.
And you know, one of the most concerning things about this is that our typical drought season is in the fall. The last big drought that we had in 2016 began in early summer. So if we don't see any additional major rains coming up, we are going to be going into the heart of our typical drought season already in a severe to extreme drought. But the good news is, at least this morning, there's at least a little bit of help, and Troy Bridges is here. So even though we are seeing rain right now and we're expected to get some more, that is just a drop in the bucket. And to kind of give you a little background or a little bit of perspective, we will need 3/4 of an inch of rain every day for about 2 to 4 months straight, every day, to make up for this drought. So we're going to hope for some more rain, that's for sure. Jomina.